Hi kids, today we will learn counting 1 to 10 with chicks.
One little chick's hopping on the floor, 2 little chicks knocking at the door, 3 little chicks chirping for some more. Count with chicks, 1, 2, 3. Count with chicks, come with me. 1, 2, 3. It's easy, you'll see. 4 little chicks playing in the hay, 5 little chicks dancing all day, 6 little chicks, what a fun display. Count with chicks, 4, 5, 6. Count with chicks, they're doing tricks. 4, 5, 6. So many clicks. 7, 8, 9, they form a line. 10 little chicks all feeling fine. Count them again, one more time. Count with chicks, 1 to 10. Count with chicks, then count again. 1 to 10. Now say it with a grin.
If you like this rhyme, then like and subscribe Kids Star Song.